Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. I got a big old box. It seems like my mail comes right at time for me to get my son. So as I was heading out, somebody was knocking on my door and they brought me this big box. And I didn't know what it was until I got home. And I'm gonna take this out right here. But I must have been the last person. And it's put in the box upside down. What in the world? Anyway, I must have been the last one to get my Fabfitfun box. So here it is. I got some extra things when, you know how it comes in time when you can get, it's almost time to order and you can get some extra things. But I only see one thing. I wonder if that's why it took so long for me to get mine. This is Moroccan Gold Series hair mask. And I got this, I don't remember how much the prices were. It was like less than half price. But I got it because I do color butter on my hair. That's how I keep it this color. And I'm out of any type of hair mask. Oh, there needs to be smell-o-vision. That stuff smells good. Okay, so before we get into it, I would like for you to go ahead and press that red button. It's on the left. I get confused sometimes. Or the subscribe button is on the right. The thumbs up button is on the left. And the little gray bell, you want it to turn gray, and I want you to do that after you hit this subscribe. Start at the right and go to the left. Just go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the like button. So the Fabfitfun box comes like this. You open it up. It has a magazine. And this time the person on the front is Brooke Burke. And these are supposed to be her favorite things in the box. That's how it usually works. And I'm just a regular subscriber, so I think I only get to pick 2 or 3 products. So let's go ahead and tear in. Oh, I see this big thing right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it out. It is by Mark and Graham. And it is, I guess everybody gets it. No, you could either get white or neutral and ivory. So I guess I got neutral and ivory. And it is a color block throw. I want to see it. Whew. Lord, I ain't got no muscles today. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. So I guess it's neutral on one side and then color blocked on the other side. Like that. White and neutral. I will enjoy that. Okay, the next thing I got, oh yeah, I remembered I ordered these. It's seeming to, well, today is not cold, it's raining. And then it's not cold tonight. Okay, so I thought I was going to use these as a Christmas gift, but we won't go into that. So we got these little gloves. I picked this. Some gloves, and then to keep your ears warm, because I always have short hair, almost always. So, oh look, y'all forgot that. So it has your thumbs out. I mean your fingers, not your thumb, but your fingers, so you can still text and grip and. Oh, what is this little nippy thing? Oh, but then you can go put this on. It's a mint. You know, us folks in the South don't really know too much about winter apparel. I didn't know they made fingerless gloves that could turn into a mitt. You know, like the gingerbread man. Okay, so that and then this. I may just leave this on. Do I have it on right? Hair, that made me look like I had my hairstyle for the 20s, didn't it? Okay. So the next thing we got is by Ahava, and it is a hydration cream mask. So I imagine that's for your hair. So I didn't know we was gonna get. You could either got this or no. This is what everybody gets, I guess. The winter edit sale. So I got this, which is a hydration mask enriched with spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and soothes the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. So no, this is for your skin. Probably go right on my face tonight. And then this is the, I don't know how I got from what way over there. Oh, and this is what, you could have got this or this. And this says this is for $49, and I think I paid $7 for it. That tells you how much it's really worth, right? And then here's Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. What is that? This silky champagne eye brightener instantly brightens and highlights and brightens your eyes. So that is what it looks like. I'm sure everybody's probably already seen it. Like I said, mine was so late. That's what you do with it. It's just to like lift up the eye. So then I also, where's this at? Okay, so here's the stuff that we all get down here. And this is the black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. And there's, this is $29. Is your under eye area puffy and swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal. This activated charcoal do everything. It brightens your teeth, clears your face. Now it's going to depuff your eyes. And there's 5 masks in this. And the next thing is by Bite Beauty. And you could either got, so these were $29. You could, if you got this, it was worth $49, but I paid $7. That's why I got it, because it was cheaper than L5 from L'Oreal. And these were $45. The throw was worth $49. This is Bite Beauty lipstick in the color meringue. I don't know. And it's valued at $26. What's a cute little tube? Probably a little too nude for me. It would make me look like I don't have lips, I imagine. But I'm not saying I won't try it. Okay, so this is worth $31, and it's Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil. Set is sweet orange and eucalyptus. Well, that eucalyptus you can put in your what am I trying to say? In your vaporizer. I love the smell of eucalyptus. Ooh, that's pretty strong too. I can put it in with my, I got some other essential oil that's got eucalyptus, spearmint, peppermint in it. I don't know exactly, but it's called Clean Air or Fresh Air. And then this one is Sweet Orange. I see that in a lot of products, but I've always thought you weren't supposed to put essential oils on your face. Now, I did used to put tea tree oil on my little dog, and they say you're not supposed to, and she didn't like it, but it kept down her itching. And I read the ingredients and I was good. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, so you could have got a jade roller, and it cost $45. I ordered mine from AliExpress, and I think, no, on Wish, and I think I paid $8 for mine. And it looks just exactly like the one I got, but it here says it's $45. And then you could get richer, pour Rena over the knee textured socks. And I got the Be Your Selfie palette by Pure, and I do not like Pure products. This one may be different since it's not made for BoxyCharm, but all those we get in BoxyCharm, I don't ever use them. They're terrible. They're chalky. They don't. Hopefully this one will be better. Let's see what it looks like. And so this is worth $36. But the shadows, oh yeah, they are. That's the shadows. Oh wait, here, let me take that off. So they are pretty colors. Now if they work, oh now I see why it wouldn't go on here. Okay, I'm very negative today. I apologize. I really don't like Pure products. They may make good face product, skincare, but they're eyeshadows. Sometimes you just need to stick to one thing, and that, whatever you're good at, and eyeshadow is not their forte. And so the next thing is, oh yeah, I think this is the circle necklace, and you could get this for $49, or Oral-B Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. I just got some of that. And a Halston Portfolio, which was worth $48, or the dry shampoo for $44. Are you kidding me for dry shampoo? But so I chose the necklace. Was just speaking about Nicolas Cage. Ooh. This is pretty, and it's by Lee, I don't know, Lalisa Doa, I don't know, Lily Sadoa. That is very pretty. I'm not going to put it on because I'm just not going to put it on. Probably wait and wear it on Christmas Eve. It could be anything else. No, they put this in there to make it look like there was a lot of stuff. So I like everything that I got. I'd rather had the Anthropology and Mercy and Co. Sea Whipped Body Cream. I'd rather have that, but I got this. And then for the lipstick, you could have either got it or Chic and Tonic. I'll coast to that, which was a set of 4 coasters, or the Burt body sliders, and my hips don't do that. All right, so. You could either get, your box could either be from $290 to $335. So I'll figure that up and put it on the screen. But these 3 things right here, these are the 3 things that was in everybody's box. You could choose between the necklace, a jewelry portfolio, and some dry shampoo for $44. Then you could pick between, I didn't get to pick this. So this is what I got instead of the body cream. And then I picked this. I bought this. And this says this is worth $49. And like I said, the only reason I got it was because it was cheaper than the Elvive by L'Oreal. And then it said select members got, I guess everybody got either one or the other of the throws. So it was a pretty good box all in all, I think. I'm satisfied with it. I sound like I'm not, but I actually really am. And so I don't know. I may make some more videos. I got too much to do. I haven't wrapped one gift yet. No way. All right. I just wanted to share it with you. I done decided, even though I had a tracking number, I decided maybe they weren't going to send it to me. All right. I'll try to remember to put this code down that's for $10 off your first box, which actually comes as, it'll be the editor's box, but they don't tell you that, but that's what it is. All right. So, I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.